Well, today's project is to put this Abarth style exhaust on from Eastern Automotive in England onto this, my Bug. Hopefully it won't have to be too many modifications. Those aren't flared, so I'm going to have to figure out how to hook them to the J-pipes. This is the box that came in. It was in pretty bad shape. There's some bolts missing. That's no problem, I'll find them. It's a hardware store. I'll continue this after I get it installed. Okay, got a slight problem here. Both of the pipes need to come in about just a little. They're too far apart. If they were closer together, they would clear these. I'm not sure how I'm going to solve this problem because it is hitting the body on both sides.